Hello and welcome to our video on how to capture stunning photos, irrespective of your body or facial features. It's a fact that not everyone is blessed with supermodel looks, but that doesn't imply we can't have amazing pictures. We'll be sharing some insider tips on how to perfect your poses and snap pictures that you'll love to flaunt in this video. Plus, we've included some cost-effective gadgets that we frequently employ to help you elevate your photography skills. So, whether you're seeking to enhance your Instagram game or simply want to click some great photos for yourself, let's dive in and start taking stunning pictures. Tip 1. Work on your angles. First things first, let's talk about angles. We all have our good and bad angles, so it's important to find the ones that work best for you. My tip is to experiment with different angles and see which ones make you look and feel the most confident. Personally, I love turning my face slightly to the side and tilting my chin down a little. This creates a slimmer profile and accentuates my jawline. But don't be afraid to play around until you find your perfect angle. Tip 2. The power of props. Props are a great way to add some personality and interest to your photos. I love using props to convey a message or tell a story. For example, if I'm feeling cozy and relaxed, I might incorporate a mug of tea or a book into my photo. The key is to choose props that complement your outfit and add a pop of color to your photo. Remember, props should never overpower the photo, but rather enhance it. Tip 3. Get moving. Movement can add a natural and effortless look to your photos. Instead of just standing still, try adding some movement to your poses. Walk towards the camera, twirl around, or just move your arms and legs slightly. This creates a more dynamic photo and adds interest to the shot. The key is to make sure the movement is natural and not forced. Practice in front of a mirror to get comfortable with different movements before incorporating them into your photos. Tip 4. Lighting is key. When it comes to taking impressive photos, lighting plays a crucial role. The significance of lighting cannot be overlooked, as it can make or break the quality of the picture. I personally prefer to use natural light, and therefore I often take photos outdoors during the day. However, if indoor photography is unavoidable, it is best to use a light source that imitates natural light, like a ring light. Tip 5. Confidence is everything. Confidence is key when it comes to taking great photos. Regardless of how you look, confidence can make all the difference in a photo. Stand tall, smile, and own your look. Remember, imperfections are what make us unique, so don't be afraid to embrace them. It's all about being comfortable in your own skin. Tip 6. Edit your photos. Making some edits to your photos can improve their appearance considerably. Even if you are not an expert in photo editing, you can still make some simple adjustments that can have a significant impact. Brightness, contrast, and saturation levels can be easily adjusted using editing apps like Lightroom, VSCO, or Snapseed. Filters can also be added to complement your photo's mood. It is important not to go overboard with the editing, though, as it may result in unnatural and artificial-looking photos. And that's a wrap on our video. I hope that you have gained valuable insights from the tips and tricks we shared, encouraging you to produce outstanding photos. To enhance your skills further, we recommend that you click on the links we provided to discover some reasonably priced gadgets that I personally use to capture remarkable photos. Additionally, if you liked this video and desire to watch more similar content, kindly subscribe and enable notifications.